ask Raj to speak.
Thank you. My name is Tejinder Ajiz. I'm a long-time Labour Party member, activist since the age of 12, former Labour councillor from London, and I'm also as a Unite the Union member. And as I said to Darryl and to the other RMT strikers, we need to cast this wider net in supporting the RMT in what's a justified strike in terms of politics, in terms of economics, on the street, on the picket line, in the press, in the media, on the internet, on social media, how we can get the message across and build that support, because this is a fight that we cannot lose. We have to win. We have to drive back the lies that the Tories are telling. We have to drive the lies that the Labour Party are telling. And that's a Labour Party member here saying. And it saddens me that the Labour Party aren't in full support of the RMT and their strike action. It's justified, it's necessary, we need to win. All support to the RMT. Thank you.
Thank you, 8 minutes.